You single? I'm alive. Eh? Live. Okay. Everything's set. Let's go. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the zbit.com's live. This live is not an independent trading channel. To be very clear in the starting itself, my name is Yash and I am a live stream host at zbit.com. Now, what is a zbit.com? Why zbit.com has a live stream and every of those things? Okay. See, there are two reasons, main two reasons. One, to have a new people coming on board of a zbit, and second, for handling the care, the services, providing services to the zbit who zbit people who are actually on our app. So like on this live stream we provide every of those things. We provide you knowledge regarding trading, we provide you knowledge regarding crypto market, we provide market analysis, we provide the live trades, and so not and so not and so not, every single help, so that if when the YouTube people will come and they will hear me like welcome user and blah blah blah, they will be like, who is this users? Those users are actually coming from the zbit app. Okay, so to be make you understand this, they are from the zbit app, and I want you also to be a part of the zbit app. I want you to come on our live streams, to come and be amazed by whatever services we provide you, by educating you regarding trading, by providing you the trades, by providing you the market analysis, so that you, because we know this one thing, that crypto market is a very new concept for everybody. It's new concept for all the people who joins new, because they are coming here for one hope, that they want to earn a lot of good money. I am going to turn on AC. It's hot. 1 second. Okay, back again. So that was Zbit is for all of you people. Zbit is a key to access a world of a crypto from one tap, that is by your palm. Like you can access you to your phone, you can also access to your laptop as well. I'm not saying that you cannot, but see, I'm really sorry to say this, but yes, we are only available right now for the iOS people. We are not available at this moment for the Android people. Now, as a lot of people, welcome user 898178, welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for joining, thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. I want to make sure, I want to tell you this 2 to 3 things early before starting this live stream, because it is mandatory for all of you people, and also you will be receiving a very good reward for those things. And why not do those things which I'm going to talk about now? Live stream on the Zbit app, not the YouTube people I'm talking to right now. Okay, I'm talking to just Zbit app people who are coming on this live stream via our app. Now, for all those people who are coming on this live stream via our app, I want to tell you this one thing, that I have started one challenge for all of you. It's not even a challenge. Challenge is just like a like I'm gonna watch you and I'm gonna pick some people and I'm gonna give them rewards, free giveaways. It can be like it can be an offers, it can be free USDTs, it can be anything, whichever I feel like I will give you. It will be not same for every week, it won't be same completely. Okay, so I have started doing what? See, on the Zbit app, there are few functions which you haven't used till now. And I want all of you people to use those functions, to start using those functions and start making welcome Chinoso. Welcome Chinoso. Chinonso. Okay. Welcome, Chinonso. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name a little different than it is, but It's very new name for me, Chino. So welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Now, for all those people who are joining me from the Zbit app, like Chinoso and many other people, I want to tell you this one thing that I have bought an offer for all of you people. An offer, or you can call it as a reward, you can call it as an offer, whatever you feel like. See, in a Zbit app, there are so many functions. Deposit, take a trade, the comment sections. So you have to be, whenever you come on this live stream, it should not be just off like watching me going live, talking me about the crypto, giving you market analysis, giving you trades and blah blah blah. I want you all people to be active on the live stream as well, and that I will make sure to find and give you the best reward for that as well. Now what you need to do is basically whenever you come on this live stream, I need you all people to put a comments to show some like whatever you have, queries, issues, doubts, blah blah blah, all those things I want you to put in here. Okay, and once you put all those things here, I will take care of those stuffs. Even see, it doesn't have to be like you have the query then and then only you will comment on this comment section. No, even if you are like just saying hi, hello, my day went this, my trade went this, my trade went wrong, my trade went good, my trade this, my trade that, my this, my that, whatever it is, you be active on the comment section. And after that, I want you to use the functions as well. See, the deposit function in the live stream is exactly the same like the function we have in the home page. Deposit thing is exactly the same. It's no things. See, rather than exiting the live stream and going to the home page, then deposit and then come back to live stream, we have made it very simple, very easy for all of you people. What we have done is we have made that one function right under the live stream, which you can see like whenever you enter the live stream, in the bottom you can see two options over there. One is take a trade and one is this deposit option. So please make sure that you are, whenever you deposit things and do deposit more and more from the live stream function tab, I will make sure that I will pick the best, the 4 or 5 people weekly wise, and I will be giving them the reward. But obviously, see, it's not like even if just you click the one tap, I will give you. Okay, even the criteria you should match to be on the top 4, top 5 things. So you need to match those criteria. Even if you like for example, let's say I'm giving example, if there are 20 people, in that 20 people you are the only one who is doing the tab, I am not going to give you that reward just because of one tab, one deposit or one anything. Okay, I should be having some criteria, like at least do a deposit of like more than 3 to 4 deposit a week, more than comments. Like comments should not be just hi and you left, hi and you left, hi and you left. No, this is not what it should be. It should be like you're active, you are knowing this live stream, you're understanding this live stream, you're being a part of this live stream, which I want you to do. Because see, I really users 587569 and also welcome user 17854. So all those people, please make sure the comments on the comment section, say hi, hello, everything whenever you come in, because that is going to count and I am going to give you maybe free USDTs, maybe free whatever rewards or offers to all of you people if you are active on the live streams and if you are using the functions of deposit and take a trade. Okay, so that was for the Zbit users. And for the rest of the people, what do you understand by this live stream? Why we are on this live stream? The YouTube people, the Twitter people, I want you to know this one thing, that you must have seen Binance, you must have seen Bybit, you must have seen OKX, you must have seen SP500 and so on and so on and so on, or other public blockchains which is out there available for all of you people. But you might have not seen, not in the real life, not in anything, where something like Zbit at right now point. Zbit is a crypto exchange platform which brings you a connecting bridge for you to connect to the crypto world. Why just like one tab, one single tab, and the process of registration, the process of entering, the process of starting and creating an account is very simple. It's a minor 3 steps of putting your information and getting into the crypto world. Now, Zbit allows you to have and achieve a financially freedom life which we are hoping for. We are not hoping for like, so Zibit should be the top one, Zibit should be the top five, Zibit should be this, Zibit should be that. No, we are not hoping for that. We are only and only hoping for one very specific thing, that we want our audience to achieve a financial freedom. Now, that financial freedom can come from various platforms. It can come from the business, it can come from the startup, it can come from so not and so not and so on, different platforms. But the most effortless, the most like normal, one second. The most effort, welcome user 999003. Welcome on the live stream of the ZB platform. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Now, for all those people who are on YouTube, again, coming back to you, I want you to understand this one thing, that Zbit allows you to have financial freedom and most effortless way of getting a financial freedom. Not by opening business, not by doing a startup, not by getting a company, because those things will require a hefty amount of investment, which obviously and very obviously you don't have it. I know it. So, what is the thing which you can do? Is it just an overthinking? Just you're sitting on the home and you're thinking like, I will do this tomorrow, I will do this tomorrow, I should be doing this, I should be doing that. Why you are just blabbing and why you just thinking in a random air? Why not put it into action and start your journey with a crypto platform by entering the crypto platform via zbit.com? And trust me on this, I'm not talking about just because I'm from the Zbit person and something like that. I picked Zbit because of the things which they're offering to all of people. Zbit is a crypto platform which take care of your like finance thing and also helps you to understand a lot and lot about crypto market. That's why you get a three best reward, one of which is the live stream which helps you understand regarding the crypto market. You feel any difficulty, come on the live stream, ask and I will clear it out. You feel difficulty in understanding market, come, I will solve. You feel difficulty finding trades, come, I will solve. You feel difficulty in finding which coin to trade, because obviously see, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB, and all those are those kind of coin which is like very expensive to trade on. In the future trade, you can trade BTC as well, you can buy it today as well, but it is not an ownership. Ownership comes from where? From doing a spot trading. The real money, like from where you can make like a generational kind of wealth, like the same way the big player does. Welcome user 241863 and welcome user 828367. Welcome and thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. Really appreciating. I will be giving you live trades, I will be giving you the market analysis and everything, and also we'll discuss, we have to discuss something about yesterday as well. So whatever trade we had yesterday and every other thing, I want to discuss that as well. Okay, now in that, welcome user 353231. Welcome. And also see, Zbit people, the people who are watching from Zbit, I get it that I speak English and some of you might not understand English. Some of you might be understanding Hindi, some of you might be understanding some other language. But I'm really sorry for you. And I want to tell you this one thing, that see, in the Zbit, there are a lot of international people as well. Some people are from Nigeria, some people are from Indonesia, some people are from US and blah 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 blah. They don't understand Hindi. But there is a but. Even if it's okay that you don't understand Hindi, English, even if you feel at any point of certain, like if I'm explaining some topic, if I'm explaining something that you feel that you don't understand it, please comment on the comment section. I will start speaking in Hindi. I will explain you that part, that sentence, or that whatever topic, concept, I will explain you in Hindi, and you don't have to worry regarding that. Okay. So please make sure this one thing, that you are having, if you are having any language issues, please comment on the comment section so that I can help you with that as well. Do not just think like, okay, he is just going to talk in English and this is just going to be an English live stream or something like that. No, it depends on person to person. As commonly I'm using English language because of the international people as well. But if you have any difficulty, please make sure to do comment on the comment section, like speak in Hindi or something like that. I will pick the regional language as well to help you understand much more better, because that's my main need, that you need to be understood. It's not about the language, it's not about the people, it's not about thing. It's like your understanding matters to me. Okay, now for Zbit, sorry, for the YouTube people. Now, as I told you, like Zbit allows you to have and achieve a financial freedom via entering into the crypto market of the trading. Now, you might feel like, okay, everybody's talking about that. Like, come to the crypto, you earn money. Come to the crypto, you will gain a lot and lot and lot of generational kind of wealth, which you can make. But is it easy? No, it's not easy. But we offer you something which can help you achieve the most difficult market in the most easiest form. That is three things, three rewards which we give. Now, I will just show you 1 second. Yeah, sign up. Can you see on my screen right now? This is a web portal of zbit.com. You can find out same thing for the in the app version as well, and only for Android. Okay, we are not available right now at this moment for the iOS people, but soon we are working for that. We are working to get license for the iOS things and every of those things, and we will make sure that our app gets as possible as soon, because I get it. This generation are cooked. They have started buying iPhones like crazy. They just need iPhone. They don't need other phone. So I know, I get it. Like you might not have an Android, or you might not something. Majority of people I'm talking about. And if you even don't have iOS, that is even if you don't have Android, it's totally fine, because we have web page as well. It's the same exact thing. It's not a different. You can take trade from their website as well. So do not think just like because of the thing we are not available for iOS, that's why you don't download it, that's why you don't be a part of a Zbit platform. Okay, don't think in that way. Just you can join it from the web page as well. You have a complete authority to join it from the web page. This is exactly the same thing. There is no difference in it. Okay, now what are those rewards? What are the three best things, and why do I say, and why even the Zbit claims that it is the one of the best beginner friendly Zbit app, beginner friendly crypto exchange app. Sorry, my bad. One of the best and beginner friendly crypto exchange platform. Why? Because of the rewards which we are offering to people, and because of the understanding which we understand of the people. Now, how do you feel that if I tell you that without even taking a single trade, without even doing a single deposit, without even doing or watching any of a single market, like you haven't seen a chart, you haven't picked a coin, you haven't took a trade, you haven't took a deposit, you haven't entered any of the details, but still there is a chance, not even a chance, there is a guarantee of you to earn a crypto token, that to completely free of cost. And yes, that impossible thing is possible only at zbit.com. We offer a free crypto token for all of those people who have newly entered into the crypto exchange platform. Okay, it's just like few basic things you need to do for that. That is just three details. I get it. Like a lot of Indian people think that coming on this coming on any of those crypto market or any market trading market platforms, you need or require to pay to enter in the market, to open an account and open this and blah blah thing. But but Zbit is not like that. Not even any cryptocurrency exchange platform are like that. Cryptocurrency opening account, being a part, put your foot into the crypto world is completely free of cost. It's just like a walking in a park of a digital currency, nothing else. You have to just simply create an account with the three simple steps. That is country code, email address, and password. That's all. That's all. That's all you need to do. Just three simple steps, that which you can see on the screen right now over here. You have to put your country code, whichever country you're from. Then you've got to put your email address, your password, and boom, that is done. You have put your first step into the crypto world. Now we understand this one thing: the first step matters a lot, because even if like I can give example like moon landing, like first moon landing was recognized by a lot of like whole nation, not a lot, a whole nation. But who did the second step? Nobody cares about that person. But the first step matters. That's what we are also doing. The first step matters a lot for us as well, and for you as well. So whenever you put the first step in the crypto world, we are appreciating that first step, that courage, that step up from the rest of the world, because a lot of people, like considering an ratio or a probability, like out of 100%, maybe 40% maybe into the crypto market. Rest of the 60% still they don't have, and they are doing the same thing, that they are putting their money just stacked into the bank, and that money is doing nothing. Make your money work for money. Do not just put the stack like in the bank. It's just getting stacked from one another, one another one. It is just getting, it's losing its value, to be very very honest. Money just stacked inside one bank account to one bank is just losing money. So you got to do is come to the crypto platform and put your first step. And for that one step, I'm going to offer you something which is worth 1000 up to, sorry, okay, it's not exactly worth that, but up to $1200. $1200 worth of what? $1200 worth of a crypto token which you will be receiving. A crypto token is basically crypto coin. Okay, they have like a, we have the same words for like people will say I bought one share, and some other people will say I bought a stock. Share and stock, they mean a complete same meaning. They both hold the value, they both are valuable, same exact like that. In crypto, some people might, it's not, see, they have very like, we have like a thin line of differentiating between crossing the limit and not, exactly like that thin line we have for token and coin. But it's, they both are like 99.99% they are same, just the word something different. But you can consider, for the new people, rather than being in that confusion state like what is coin, what is token, you can consider that as a coin itself, the coin itself, just consider it's coin, it's same. Okay, now we offer you something which is worth $1200 worth of coin, and that you see is a chance. I will make my line, I will make my statement underlined that it is a chance. Now, guarantee is that you are going to receive, but there is no guarantee that you are going to receive $1200 worth of coin, which means what? Like, see, can you see on the three slides, like the time I'm speaking, there are three slides back to back changing on the platform. Can you see this worth over $1200? That's the last side. Get your first crypto asset at the zbit.com, and you can see that there is a lucky spin which has 5 to 6, no, eight, which has 8 different coins, and from which is built, there are stable coins, there are altcoins, there are meme coins, three types of coins, all are there. Okay, in which one of those, like when you do lucky spin, when you have register yourself, came to the platform, and that moment you will be feeling that you got the lucky spin, and in that lucky spin you will receive something. Okay, one of the meme coin, one of the stable coin, or one of the altcoin, maybe whatever it is at that moment which you will receive, which is totally fine. But but it's like a lucky draw, it's like a lucky chance, it's like that algorithm. If you fit into that, we have set an algorithm like out of every 500 people, one person will receive a bitcoin, 5 people or 2 people will receive Ethereum, and more than 5 to 6 people will receive Solana. Okay, so if you are considering, you like, you have that one luck thing, you have that luck factor, that you are always like high on the luck, so please make sure to try that thing, try that lucky spin, and win a chance to get a Bitcoin for completely free of cost. Even though, like, even if you get meme coin, even if you get altcoin, even if you get stable like coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or altcoin like Solana, XRP, and other coins, and meme coins like Doge, Shiba Inu, Pepe, all those coins, even if you on any of those coins, none of this coin you have to pay even a single money. Okay, to be very frank, to be very clear, I have to be very clear in the starting itself that you don't have to pay any single money for any of those things, any of the rewards. These are completely for the users and completely free for the users. Okay, because in Zbit, before thinking about us, we think about our people. Okay, now in this is just a first reward, just a first reward, and you have earned already. Like for example, if you are walking on a race, the trophy is a prize for walking on the race, for winning on the race. But in the Zbit, you can get the trophy in the first step itself. You don't have to take a trade, you don't have to be a part of crypto market, you don't have to watch the chart, but in the first step itself, just by opening, you can have a crypto token completely free of cost in your wallet. And that if you want to sell, if you want to use, if you want to convert it into USDT, you convert it. We don't care about it because you will be the owner. Same like a spot. Okay, same like a spot. Once you buy something on a spot, you are the owner of that thing. Until and unless you decide what you want to do with that coin, nobody can do anything. That is completely yours. So exactly like that, once you receive that coin, XYZ coin, whatever coin you will receive, and that is completely yours, you are the owner of that coin. So why not come on this platform, try your luck, and try to get the fun and only Bitcoin, the one of the most valuable currency in the whole world right now. So please make sure, if you have a chance to win a Bitcoin, take it. Okay, now the next reward, which we also offer to a lot, every of this new user will be having this reward, is like, first, see, I know, I get it, that crypto market is very difficult market. It's hard to understand because of the volatility, because of the uncertainty in the market. Get it. But what if I tell you that I can give you that first experience completely free of cost? You don't have to give anything. The first experience at the zbit.com will be like completely free. You don't have to pay anything, nothing. But I can give you that experience. You can, and that too real experience. It's not a fake experience, a real experience. I'm not talking about demo account. To be very clear in the starting itself, I am not talking about the demo account. I'm talking about a first trade which you will take with our money. Zibit offers you a 20 USDT bonus amount for every single new users, and this is for this terms, conditions, I'm explaining to you, to people as well. At the same time, I want you, the Zbit people who are coming on the live on the Zbit app, you also understand it, because I get it. A lot of new users come on this live stream from the Zbit directly, and they don't know about this terms and conditions of this trade, the first free trade. They think that like they have various doubts and every of those things. So if you understand and you hear my words clearly, you will know each and every of those things, and you won't be having any doubts or any questions after that. Okay, now once you receive, once you open an account and every of those things, you will receive a 20 USDT bonus into your future account. When you enter in the market, can you see there are two trades over here? Two trades. Can you see it? One is a future, other one is a spot. Future and spot. In these two things, if you click on this future like this, you will see like here is available 0 because I haven't logged in till now. And once you do log in over here, then you see that there will be a 20 USDT bonus available for you to use it for trading. Now, how do you use that and why we are offering you? Hello, welcome user 162523. Hello, sir. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream, user. Please do share me your name as well so that I can call you by name rather than calling you by the user number or something like that. So please, if whenever you come, welcome user 659609. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for being a part. Okay. So if you are a new user, user 162523, make sure to understand this one thing about this reward, which is the first free trade you get on the future. Welcome user 881038. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. And I hope you will be a part of this live stream till the very end, because yesterday we earned $1,000 profit. And I will discuss that yesterday's things also, but give me some moment. I have to talk to YouTube people for regarding this. Okay. So as sir, I have deposited a payment of 4,500. It has not been updated in the system yet. So, can I ask you a question? When did you deposit it? Is it like today or yesterday? Did you deposit like right now? Right now? If you have deposit right now, like let's say 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago, I will ask you to stay, have patience for next 5 to 10 minutes. Or if you have deposited yesterday, then give me, then tell me that you have deposited yesterday or something, and still you haven't got updated. It has been more than 2 or 3 hours. Today you did it. Okay. Okay, user, today you did it. Like till, just give me a random approx time. Like when did you did it? Like 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, 2 hour ago, 3 hour ago. Approximate time which you think that you have deposited. An approximate time. You did it for like one minute before, 5 minute, 10, 20, 30, 40, 1 hour, 2 hour. When did you deposit it? Because in the Zbit, if you have deposited, the blockchain might take some time. So okay, it might show on the blockchain over here, when you deposit, that shows 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, but it actually is to verify everything from end to end. Everything we have to verify. We cannot just like provide you money because we receive something like that. We have to verify if it came from your account. We have to verify if the username is good. We have to verify if the bank details is good. Every of the things. So it takes 15 to 20 to 30 minutes, max 30 minutes. If it has been more than 30 minutes, do tell me that it has been more than 30 minutes. Then I will help you by getting your money into your account. Okay. Welcome user 891. It has been 3 hours, so the payment has not been updated. Cool. Okay. 3 hours is too much of time. So I will can see if you open a Zbit app like this on, see my screen over here. Okay. So in here you have your UID, unique ID. Please share me your UID and also the amount you have deposited. So you have deposited 4,500 amount I have already. So just share me your UID. I will transfer your issue, your problem with our customer service, and they will take care of it. And within like 5 minutes, they will contact you with whatsoever details and every other things. Okay. So please share me your UID. I will raise the question. I will raise your query right now, and you will get, like, in this next 5 minutes, you will get either contact or you will receive that amount. Okay, just sharing your UID number. UID will be here on the Zbit app. I haven't logged in, but if you log in somewhere over here, you will see a guy like logo. Like there is a guy logo on that guy logo. Your profile, basically your profile, and in that profile you see that UID is written somewhere here. So share me that UID and I will take care of your issue. Your UID you have shared. Okay, let me just raise the question. 1 second. One zero nine zero 654. Can you also tell me your name, brother, please? User 162523, the one who is having a problem with payment. Can you also tell me your name? Welcome user 859913. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Please, user 162523. Rahul. Okay, your name is Rahul. Got it. 3 hours ago. As per you say, okay, I'm trusting your words, okay, because I don't get a detail of when you deposit. They might have a detail of when you deposit, but me, I'm trusting your word. Deposit 3 hours ago, still haven't got it. At the rate. Just share it. Okay. Rahul, I have raised your query. Stay tuned. I will like the problem will be solved in next 5 minutes. They have already they already saw it. Who saw it? Maisie saw it. At the rate. Um, who is that person? I don't know if I'm tagging a right person. I don't know. That's fine, but still, I raised your query. Okay, I raised your query. Your query might be solved in the next 5 minutes. I didn't know who to contact. I don't know who to. Uh, it's fine. Your query will be solved in next 5 to 10 minutes. Stay tuned. You will receive it. I have raised it. Somebody from the customer service will definitely contact you. Okay, definitely for definitely sure. Now, coming back to our thing which I was discussing with you, the reward of the first free trade on the future, because it's a very good reward. It's a very good reward for all those. Okay, they saw the message. They saw the message. That's nice. They saw the message. Okay. Now, no, thank you, boss. No issues, Rahul. No issues, Rahul. They saw the message. They will be there. They will update you in less than 10 minutes. Trust me. Once they see it, they will update you less than 10 minutes. So you don't have to worry regarding that. Okay. Now, coming back to our thing. And as you are a, if, no, I don't think so. You deposited already. So that means you are not a new user, Rahul. But for the new users, that 20 USD bonus of welcome user 395473. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. Now, for that 20 USD bonus thing, what do you understand by that? How to use it, and what are the other ways which you cannot use that as well? Because you need to know the goods and the bad side, the terms and the condition of that 20 USD bonus free treat. We offer you investment. It is a real market. It is not a fake market, to be very frank. Okay, whatever you do, whenever you take a trade, whichever coin you pick and whichever time you pick for taking that trade, it will be there. Okay, now whatever real market trade you are doing, according to that thing itself, you will receive your profit and everything. Welcome user 348486. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this platform. And this user, the user reward 20 USDT free user reward works how? We give you the first free experience for taking a trade. Good. Then we offer you something which is investment. Investment of what? 20 USDT. It's not a, it's less, but not the most less amount to trade. You can actually earn maybe 5, maybe 10, maybe $15 from that 20 USDT. And that profit, my friend, is completely yours. You can have that profit, you can take that profit, you can have that every of those profits with you. Got it? Now, understand this thing, like whenever you are using the 20 USDT profit, you get one chance. There are no two chances, there are no 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chances. You get just one chance. In that one chance, you have to understand the market in if, because you have to pick an option. Either you want to go for buy, either you want to go for sell. According to depending market, he will, they see in the app, you might see a very small chart just to go like what you want to do from here. Do you want to go for buy, do you want to go for sell in that moment? But you can access to some different chart, and you can see, you can watch, you can understand the market, and according to that you can take a trade, either for buy, either for the sell, depending on what you want to do. Once you click that option, you get 1 hour. Your clock starts ticking, tick, 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 and it will go till where? Until and unless, see, if you take the trade out in that before 1 hour or before 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you got your respected profit. You entered at that exact moment where there is a very good movement, and you captured a very good profit. You can exit whenever you want. You are free to do that. It's not like you can exit only and only after 1 hour. No, you can exit the trade whenever you feel like, however you feel like. But if you are not exiting the trade in that 1 hour, the clock will take in a opposite way from 10, 9, 8, 7, like this. Countdown will start of what? Of 1 hour. In that 1 hour, if you don't exit the trade, the system will automatically exit the trade by himself. So you don't have to feel like, where did my trade go, who closed my trade, who is someone there on my account, is someone there here, and blah blah blah. No, nobody's here, nobody's there. Okay, so it's a countdown which you might not see on the like app or something, like you might not know regarding that, but yes, there is a countdown of 1 hour. Automatically the time, like for example right now, consider 1 o'clock. By the by the 2 o'clock, that trade will close. Completely close. And by the 2 o'clock, the trade will be closed. Okay. So you have to understand these things, that that trade will be active for how many hours? For 1 hour. If you earn good profit, you can exit before 1 hour. But you haven't, if you haven't exit the trade, then you have to take the trade will be automatically closed by 1 hour, and you have to take whatever XYZ profit is given to you in that 1 hour. Now, what about the profit? Now you will be thinking like, I give you the 20 USDT. So am I going to have any share in that profit? No, I don't want it. You can have it. You can completely have it. You can, whatever profit you will be getting, that profit you can see on your balance, available balance. You will be able to see that amount of profit. For example, let's say you invested 20, you got 5. That 5 will be available over there on the available balance, but the rest of the money, that 20 USDT bonus, will be gone from your account. Understand these things, because a lot of people ask about this same query. Okay, a lot of people ask same query a lot of time, that where did my 20 USD go? That 20 USD was never yours to have in the first place. It was an investment given by us to experience the first trade. In that first trade, you can experience how the crypto market works, how the volatility works, how you can put a future trade, how you can put spot trade, and every other thing. So sorry, not spot, because spot is not available for that 20 USD. Okay. User 73376 sorry, 7333564. Welcome on the live stream of the ZB platform. Thank you so much for joining in. My name is Yash, and I am a live stream host over here. I'll be taking care of your whatever needs for next 3 hours. Yes, today's live stream is gonna be of 3 hours, not 4 hours. Did you some work? I will be going. 1 second. They mentioned something. Okay. Rahul, if you are on the live stream, they will be contact you in less than 5 minutes now, because they already said that they will checking with you. So they will be contacting you. Okay, you don't have to worry. Like I said, if you have any query, anything, come on this platform. I can solve it very fast. Like, this is a fast express way to forward your whatever query you have. The live streams. Okay, now, like I was telling to all of you people regarding the 20 USD bonus, that first I give you the experience of every of those things. like how the market works, how the volatility works, how different a crypto market is from the stock market or any other market out there at right now point. Why it is so valuable, why it moves like uncertainty, why people say it is the most hard way to deduct to, sorry, not deduct, it is the most hard way to predict the crypto market. Why? You will understand that in the one trade, and that we're offering you completely free of cost, because we know the first experience counts a lot. We know this one thing, that first experience will give you a very good experience for the next trade, next to next trade, or the whole crypto journey of yours. Got it? So can you withdraw the 20 USD bonus? No, you cannot withdraw the 20 USD bonus because it is a bonus amount. It's not your complete your money. It is something from real and existing. There's something between real and sorry, existence and non-existence. Somewhere between that money is okay. So you cannot withdraw that 20 USD bonus, and whatever profit you gain, whatsoever profit you gain, that you can withdraw. Okay, that is a withdrawable amount. You can withdraw that profit, you can have that profit with you, you can trade with it, you can withdraw whatever you want to do. Okay, after this, after this more common question is like, yes, there is one thing which you should not be doing, something one don't you have to actually don't, which is before using that 20 USDT bonus, do not deposit anything. Anything means anything, not even $1, not even 0.5, not even 0.2, because the time you deposit that amount before taking that free trade, that 20 USDT bonus will be gone from your account, and then you'll be wondering where that 20 USDT go, because you cannot do like this. I got 20, I will deposit 10, then I will take 30 USDT worth of trade. No, that thing is not gonna happen. It is only for the 20 USDT, only and only for the 20 USDT. Not 10, not 20, not anything you can add up extra. That trade will be for 20 and 20 only. Either welcome user 348486 on the live stream. See, Indian, you are from India. If you have any issues in my language, make sure to tell me that thing, that you have an issue with the language. I can explain things in Hindi as well. मुझे हिंदी भी आती है, मैं हिंदी में बात कर सकता हूँ। और अगर आपको कोई भी चीज नहीं समझ में आती तो प्लीज मुझे ये बताएं कि आपको ये चीजें नहीं समझ में आ रही है। प्लीज क्या आप मुझे हिंदी में समझा सकते हो? मैं फॉर श्योर वो चीजें आपको हिंदी में समझाऊंगा, क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पे जीबिट में हम ये ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट देते हैं कि लोगों को बात समझ में आए, चाहे वो कोई भी लैंग्वेज हो, चाहे वो हिंदी हो, मराठी हो या इंग्लिश हो। ये तीन लैंग्वेज मुझे आती है। चौथी लैंग्वेज मेरी खुद की मदर टंग है, जो मुझे पता है आप लोग को नहीं आती है। ठीक है, सो प्लीज मेक श्योर टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड मेक दैट बैरियर थिंग। लाइक इफ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी, सो प्लीज बस कमेंट कर दो कि यार मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, यार हिंदी में समझा दो या इसमें समझा दो, उसमें समझा दो। मैं वो चीज समझाने को भी रेडी हूं। ऐसा नहीं है कि ये लाइव स्ट्रीम सिर्फ और सिर्फ इंग्लिश में होती है, ऐसा नहीं है। अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो प्लीज वो बताए, मैं करूंगा। Got it? Cool. So do not deposit before investing that 20 USDT. If you invest before that, that 20 USDT will be gone from the market. Understand this one thing. Got it? Now we understand two rewards. What you did till now, you haven't taken a single trade, and still I gave you two rewards before even depositing, before even taking trade. One was the first free cryptocurrency, and second was the first time, like first future free trade, which the investment which we will give. And what about the loss? If I have the loss, I take care of it. That 20 USDT I gave you, if I lose that 20 USDT, I'm fine with it. I won't ask any money from you. I won't ask anything from you. Even if you are having a loss, that is completely fine. By us, we don't give anything. And what if that thing happens? Like from the 20, you got 5 USDT loss in that 1 hour, but there are still remaining 15, right? Now people will question like, what about my remaining 50? But bro, like I said to you, that after taking the first trade, that whatever amount which we gave you will be gone from the market. So even if you're having a loss of 5, the rest of the 15 you cannot see into your balance amount for the next time. You cannot see. Understand? So I have all, like I'm explaining you this much because I get those questions in my comment section regarding the most common doubts, like why can't I withdraw it? Where is my amount? I had 20, then I earned $5. Why it is not 25? Why it is only 5? Where did the 20 go? And by like I received 20, but now it's not there. This is the reason for all those. These are the terms and condition for all those queries and doubts. So understand this and do the best. Like try to understand the terms and condition, and then only enter in the market. Okay. So and terms and condition were pretty simple. You cannot withdraw bonus. Bonus should be used in one go. 1 hour you get to complete your trade. If you gain profit before that, you can have it. Welcome user 747579. Nice username you have. 777 Welcome user 355946. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming to this live stream. Thank you so much. Appreciate it a lot. Okay, now I understand. Coming back to the things. First reward explained. Second reward explained. What is the third reward? Third reward is actually this, what you are watching right now. Third reward is a free live stream option, free live stream feature. It's not paid, it's free. A free live stream option which you get for knowing everything into the market. This live stream talks about everything. Everything has to do with the market, inside, outside, everything. In outside means whatever is happening in the news factor, because you know this thing very clearly that the news also have a very good impact on the market. Whatever happens outside the world is impacting the market. We have seen it through that one of those movie as well. Like the first way where the whole world realized, the whole world I'm talking about, okay, the one and only way where the whole world realized that even the smallest or the biggest any war-like situation occurring in any country affects the market. I don't know how. It's like a sentiment trading. Okay, it's like I feel negative, I'll do negative trade. I feel positive, I'll feel positive trade. Something like that. Okay, it's a sentiment. We have seen this, or the whole world saw it. The US market crashed when the 9/11 happened. That 9/11 had nothing to do with the company stock which were there. Like it has nothing, it never bombed the Amazon, it never bombed the what else companies in Apple, it never bombed the Tesla, but still their stock went down. Why? Because the war situation escalates the trade issues. The government will shut down their border for like maybe week, maybe 2 week, maybe 3 week. So those kind of situation can impact the trades, the import, the export, which can impact the company, which can impact the shares. Basically, like it's like a complete chain reaction which you can see. Okay, now in this situation, what kind of news do you have to see? Is I'm not talking about those news like you will see like next to my door there has been a robbery, next to my door there has been someone who fainted. Not those kind of news. The news which is global politics, war-like situation, or any trade imbalance, an economic disruption, if any of this country, a major news of a global politics and any of this economic ones. Those are the news which affects the market the most. Affect the markets. If the news is negative, the market will be the downfall. If the news is positive, the market will be in an uptrend, like growing, the value will be increasing. Okay, so understand this thing. News affects the market a lot. It's basically like a, what you can say, you can consider it as a package, a beginner package. What are the 3 or 4 things which you need to understand before entering into the market? One is the news. Be updated of what's happening outside the news, which can help you a lot in realizing why and what happened over here. After that comes a market analysis, obviously, because that's how you are going to find out which coin or which chart to trade on. Like, should I go for buy, should I go for sell? That comes from market and technical analysis only. You cannot just randomly see and you say like, I think, I feel it should go. It's not I think or I feel. Every detail, every data is right in front of you in that chart. You see that chart and you will understand what step you have to take the next. And if you don't understand, you don't understand the chart, you don't know how to read the chart, you don't know how to plot the chart, you don't know how to make understand, like should I go for buy, should I go for sell, should I do what? Then at that point you should use this feature of the live stream. Like I said to you, this live stream is regarding all those things related to the crypto. You can see the tagline as well. Your one stop for crypto guide. One stop. Like come, I'll explain you each and every of those things in the most detailed manner in your understandable language. Okay. So this live stream helps you to understand trading, helps you to understand market, helps your query regarding whatever query you are having, and even if you are having any issues with the exhibit as well, some withdrawal, some deposits, some this, some that, whatever issues you are having, you can solve it in here as well. Okay, got it? Cool. So that was the Zbit for all of you people, from the people who are watching from the YouTube, and the Zbit from the Twitter. This was the Zbit's overview of what we are, what we do, and every of those stuffs. We are basically a crypto exchange platform which is offering you a chance to be a part of it, earns a very good and very expensive, valuable rewards, which is the free crypto token, first free trade, and the feature which is the best, which is the live stream, which offers you a chance to gain the knowledge of the cryptocurrency by the most personal touch. You are here in front of me, and this is live. It's not some like we I just gave you a bunch of videos to watch and something like that. No, you can clear your doubts. You can clear and ask about thing in the live, and I can explain in the live. Got it? Cool. Now let's move ahead. Let's discuss what happened yesterday. Okay, because yesterday we took a trade. We earned almost in this like trade. I got 1,444 was the profit, and my trade was from the fair value, like from actually here. One second, I will explain what happened yesterday. Yesterday, we saw the market fall almost 5%. Not sir, not almost 5% fall. So 5% market fall yesterday. 5% fall of a market is not a very small thing. It's a big thing. In that 5%, when I was on the live stream, I could capture 1.5% of the fall of that market, which I showed you and which I told you before going. Like, see, I almost took a trade by something like 3 o'clock yesterday. I took a trade for the downfall, and I was capturing the market of 1.5%. Welcome, Aranith, Arneath, Arneath or Aranith. Welcome, Aranith. Thank you so much for joining this live. Thank you so much for being a part of this live. Thank you so much. Okay. So yesterday we captured almost. Where is the mouse? Yeah. Okay. So this is the movement we captured exactly from here. One second. There is one update. Yash at the red success. Okay. Rahul, I hope you have received your this thing, because in here I got a response of like it is a success. You got the deposit, you got every of those things. So I hope if you are coming on the live stream, if you come later as well, I helped you. Your things are done, and thank you. Okay, now yesterday on the long term, I told you this one thing, that the whole crypto market right now is at the downtrend, and also we are looking at one thing, that yesterday we made the lower low. I said to you, according to the market structure, what do you mean market structure? Market makes an identical three structures, three different types of structure, not identical, I'm sorry, not identical, but three different type of structures. We call it as a downtrend, we call them uptrend, and we call them sideways market. These are, first is a down, second is up, third is side. These are the three main trend of a market, three main, up, down, and side, three main trend of the market. Okay, cool, got it? Cool. So in that, every of this trend will make some different thing which you can understand. First will be like lower low, lower high situation. Second will be like, one second, let me just write over. Second will be higher high, higher low situation. Welcome user 244918. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining. High and low. And this will be just side. This is not being any higher high or any of those things. Okay. So yesterday, like I told you, the first trend. Can you see the first trend? Making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This was what we are been making since October 7. Since October 7, we are making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Yesterday, I told you this one thing, that market is trying to make another lower low. Once it stops making lower low I will go for a buy trade, and that to my buy trade is where, because I can see on a daytime frame there is a one fair value gap which is or can, which if I see the pattern, if I see the pattern of the fair of the downtrend, whenever the lower low is made, it always follow ups and goes to the fair value gap. One second, where is my pencil? Got it. So this is the first lower low made by the market, and it again went to where the fair value gap. Made another one, went where fair value gap. Lower low went where fair value gap. Lower low went where fair value gap. And from the fair value gap, drop down of the market. So the market is showing us a pattern that wherever we make a lower low situation, it will always go and be at the fair value gap, get that limit order, get that extra order which is sitting there without even getting executed, get that order execute, and again the downfall continues. Now yesterday this was the trade which I did almost 1.5. See, it was the whole fall of was 5%. 5% of the whole fall. I captured only 1.5%. I didn't capture the whole 5%. I captured 1.5% because we entered late. That's all, nothing else. We entered late. That was the mistake which we did. We entered at a late part. Okay, but still, we got what we wanted to. We got our one, like almost I made $1,444 from this. It is not a small amount. It's a good amount to make money. Okay, now from this point, I told you that this will be a lower low situation. And after lower low, you know one thing, like this is the structure. Structure says what? Structure, like whenever it happens low, again it will go up to make what? Lower high. Now this is that situation, and also like whatever pattern suggests that after making a lower low, market will go above again, almost at the range of what? Almost at the range of 99,000 to 1,000. Sorry, 99,000 to 100. Welcome user 675468. Welcome user 934807. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. Thank you so much for being. I am explaining you what happened yesterday, the trade we took, the profit we earned, what are we going to do today, every of those things we are discussing right over here. If you have, again, like I said to you, if you have any doubts regarding anything, make sure that you are asking on the comment section. This is live, is not for you to watch only. This is, you can interact, you can be a part, you can ask questions, and so on, and so on, and so on, and so on. Welcome user 300920. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming. Welcome user 6612005. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Always make sure, I'll repeat it again, I have made that thing. User 162523, Rahul, you might have got deposit, right? Because my team said success, that means you received your deposit. You came back on the live stream, so I'm just informing you that the deposit has been done from our side. Is it done from your side as well? I'm just cross checking the thing. Rahul, if you are listening, the user 162523, Rahul, if you are listening, can you just confirm that your reward, like whatever deposit was pending, is been done, is done right now? Sure? Is it done? Yes, no, whatever thing. Rahul, is your deposit done? Done, sir. Got it. Cool. If you have any future update, any future issues, anything, come on the live streams. I'll help you solve it faster. Okay. You don't have to worry about those things. I will help you solve it faster. And if you have any doubt, if you're a new person or something like that, you don't know about the market or you don't know about anything, you just have to ask, what is this? What is that? Explain me this, explain me that, and I will do it. I will do it for very, very short. For very, very short. Okay. Cool. Let's understand. Like I said to you yesterday, 1.5% of market was captured by me, and by that thing, right now, as a lower low situation has been formed. Like market is making the lower low situation. In that lower low situation, we can have this one thing that from here again the market will go up following the pattern and go up to the fair value gap at this point, which will make what, which will make the lower high of the market will make a lower high, which we can capture by entering into a buy situation. Because whenever market goes up, we put a long trade. We like in the future market, you can see it as a buy long, sorry, open long, which is a buy, open short, which is a sell. Okay. So for right now point, exactly, and you can also see this one thing. This was a 4-hour demand zone which I made in the market yesterday, exactly, and the market was not even close to that demand zone yesterday. But today, from that exact point, the demand from the demand zone market has went up, has got lifted up. Not that good point, but very less point. Let's just see what kind of point the market went up. I don't see these options. Okay, now I can see which person. Okay, let's see what percentage market went up today. Like from tapping into the demand zone, this is that demand zone which we captured, and that was a very past demand zone. Okay, it was never, not even a closed demand zone. That demand zone was captured from May 20s, like 6th May 2025, that demand zone was captured. I saw that it is a demand zone over here, which happened in the May situation, not in the right now situation, but still that works. Zones, even if they are 1 month old, 6 month old, 1 year old, zones are zones, and they have a high chance, high probability that it will react in the present as well, which we saw. This was that 4 hours of demand zone which I captured last, and that was my target as well. Somewhere on the tip of the 4 hour demand zone, I made my target. Market dropped into that demand zone, and from that point, we got rejection. Now I just want to see what kind of rejection we had and what kind of market we already have been, like we got already. Market went to 2.9 and almost 3% up, and then right now it is at a fall stage as well, which is currently at 1.19. Means you can say market went 3% up, 1% again fall down, so we are somewhere on the 2% of the market, which is up since yesterday. Since yesterday I'm talking about, since yesterday it is up by like 3%, 2%. 2% is up by that point. Got it? Cool. Now, in the 4 hours of the candle, if you observe, after giving a very good push for the upward, 3% of push upward, from that point, the market has started falling again. But should we trust this fall? Welcome user 225656. Welcome on the live stream. Be active on the live stream. I give you live trades. At the same point, you can earn free USDTs. Do not lose the chance of winning free USDTs. Okay. And how do you use the free USDT? Just be active on the comment section and use the functions of the deposit and take a trade function, which you can see in the bottom of the live stream. Okay. So right now, from the yesterday, whatever market we captured 1.5, market is up by 3%. 1% is almost gone. 2% is still remaining. In that remaining 2%, I am hoping to go for a buy situation. To be very honest, because that's what I'm hoping for. After making a lower low, I want to go and take a trade for the buy situation for capturing that lower high. But if I see on the daytime frame, I am still in the green candle. I am still in that candle where it is like it doesn't look that uptrend is started, but still a very normal start of a lower high is there if I see in a daytime frame. But when I come to the 4 hours of live stream, and this might happen to you as well, see, on one time frame it will look an uptrend, but if you go more and higher, it may look some other trend. So do not get confused in such situations. If see, if to be very honest, higher time frames will give you the most honest answers. day time frames, hour time frames. They will give you very honest answer regarding what actually the trend is. Okay. The lower time frame might confuse you a lot in what is going on. Like if it's up, is it a down? Should I go for buy? Should I go for sell? It will confuse you a lot. Go for a higher and higher time frame to understand the most perfect market, like in what way where the market is moving and every other six. But it makes confusion as well sometimes, as the day time frame is just one green candle. But in the 4 hour live stream, in the 4 hours of chart pattern, if we look, we see that the market is starting to fall more down. Now, this starting to fall more down has two reasons. These two candles, whenever there is a very big green candle and then there is small red candle. Now, there are 2 to 3 reasons why this happens. Whenever the candle comes from big green candle comes from the demand zone, either there will be straight up very good demand like green candle, big green candles will be there, a straight up. But it always depends upon the investment. It always depends upon the people who are in the market at right now. If there are just retailers, if there are just retailers, it can be a fake breakout or it can be a fake movement. Not fake as in like money is not real. Money is real but cannot have hold the strength to continue an uptrend. That's why it is a fake. That's why it is just like a last effort made by, you can say, the buyers. Now this big green candle, if you can see, all the buyers went all out. Consider it all out. Whatever profit, whatever amount they wanted to invest, they did the investment, and this movement couldn't sustain because once this, like, understand, for example, 4 to 5 people, for example, I'm saying there are more to 4 people definitely, but example, if 4 to 5 people went for a buy situation over here, always how an uptrend carries, how a very big trend carries, the green candle starts with all obviously less people, but the less rest of the people will also joining in, which makes the strength good, which converts and downtrend into an uptrend. But in this case scenario, the sentiment trade has happened. What do you mean by sentiment trade? Sentiment trade is same like I felt I did. That's basic understanding of a sentiment trade. Okay, I felt I did kind of stuff. Let me just delete this stuff. Okay, so what happened is just one simple thing that I felt I did. What you felt, that whenever market comes on demand zone, or whenever market comes on fair value gap, whenever market comes on a supply zone, like this is not a supply zone, but I'm just making a supply zone over here. Whenever market comes on supply zone, market, the people have this common thing, like same thing we have that instinct, that if I place my hand on a hot water, I instantly take it out because I know it's hot, it's not good for me. So in the same way, people have this common reasoning. Market comes to supply zone, go for sell, because from here downfall will start, so they will go for sell over here. Market comes on a red side fair value gap, that is a sell side fair value gap. The people will start doing an early entry of the sell because they know soon a market is gonna fall. Then same like demand zone, market will enter at the demand market. Sorry, people will see market at the demand zone. They will go for an early buy situation because they know this one thing, that demand zone means that there is gonna be some upliftment of the market. Some point the market is gonna go up. Welcome user 528855. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Okay, cool. So at this point, now this one candle which has been carried out, this one candle which has been carried out can be the reason of what? The early sentiment of the people, of the trader, which took a trade just because it is right now sitting at a demand zone, nothing else. Why fake breakout happens and what do you understand by fake breakout? Now fake breakout is basically, see, you can understand by this, you can understand by this situation. Market was falling down, and it came till this point. Now this was the whole strength. From this point to this point, strength of which guy? Strength of who? Strength of sellers were there. They were putting the sell order, and the strength was still here. From that moment, whenever the strength, like whatever strength we had, whatever order you could put, whatever money you could invest for the sell side, you did, and that is done. Now your strength, if it is not continuing, if you don't get support from your people, from your family, from whatever things, whoever are there, if you don't get support, then the strength becomes a little less, right? Now this less strength, for example, if sellers are having strength and if it becomes less, we start seeing either market can go sideways or the buyers will take over to make a little upward movement. Sideways, that's why, because now see, market went to sell side because buyer strength was not there. Sellers are losing some strength because they went all out right now. Whatever investment they wanted to do, they did it already. Now both the buyers and the sellers are somewhere in the same situation, that they both need investment, they both need their support, they both need people to be in that market to take the market to that level where they want to see it. Right now, in this situation, the sellers went all out, they lose the strength. Buyers try to take this opportunity and be and take the market in their hand. Okay, this is that movement where they try to take their buyer to try to take the control of the market for a little long push, a little short push. They tried to push. They tapped into the fair value gap. Now, these are the rest of the sellers who are sitting over here. Rest of the sellers are at what? FEG. First seller were here, came till this point, lost control, and then they went to collect what? The rest of the people, they joined in, and then we can see a dominance. Observed how a fake breakout looks like. Fake breakout is not actually fake. It is just like people do early entry or XYZ, like maybe sellers are losing strength, buyers will try to take over but failed. In here, buyers try to take over, try to push the market up but failed. Why failed? Because fair value gap had remaining sellers sitting already, waiting for that point that buyers will come, will push the market up, and that's the point where I am gonna show my real strength and push the market complete down. Now, this same sentiment trading can happen at this point as well. There are two scenarios. See, always see, market has so many probabilities. Probabilities, I mean, maybe this can happen, maybe that can happen, maybe this can happen, maybe that can happen. There are so many probabilities. But the most two probability which can happen right now at a situation is, first, either from this lower low, market will simply go to the fair value gap, collect it and go down. Normal. Okay. As per the pattern is showing us. Second thing which can happen is, this green candle is representing an early buyer trying to take over strength. Because of what? Because market is at a demand zone. Demand zone is basically home of the buyers. Charging. Charging them. So demand zone is basically the home of the buyers, a place for them to feel like home, to feel like they can eat, sleep, and then go for hunt again. Now this is the place where the sellers came, the buyers were waiting for them, they took the market, they didn't took the market, but this I early entered the market. Obviously, the RSI might be showing them that Bitcoin is right now oversold situation, oversold and overbought. Okay, two situation I will explain it. I will explain with the indicator itself. One second. What do you mean by oversold and what do you mean by overbought? The name itself tells that something is overbought and something is oversold. But one second, I will show you in the indicator. It might help you in the future as well sometime. Go on the indicator and type RSI. RSI is also used for two reasons. One, to check the strength of the market. Strength not in the way of number of people, but the strength in the number of quantity of investment. Not for the people I'm talking. Strength is not the number of people over here. Market doesn't care about how many people are there. Really, even if for example, even if I make 10,000 people at this side, having an investment of $1 each, making that $10, and I pick one guy over here who has 20,000 investment to make, obviously market will prefer one guy with a 20,000 and rather than picking the 10 guys with the $1. Getting my point? So strength doesn't indicate number of people, but strength indicates the investment amount which you have. Now, RSI actually calculates the strength of the market, the investment amount, like where the strength of that coin, the strength of the value of that coin, the investment of that coin, if it's holding good, if it's not holding good, if it's going down, if it's not, if it's going up or up, those things. You see majorly two lines. One is yellow and one is that purple thing. You might have their own, you might have their own color. Okay, it doesn't have to be my same color. Okay, welcome user 107574. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. So, user, watch this. RSI indicates the strength of the market. If the market is holding a good strength, that means a good value. That means a good money is coming in or not or going out. Losing strength is going out. The money is going out, that is outflow. In technical words, inflow means money coming inside the market, and outflow means money going outside the market. Understand? Welcome user 931287. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. I really appreciate all those people who come on the live stream and take a trade with me, live trades and everything. We'll definitely take a trade. Do not worry. We'll definitely take a trade, but understanding market should be your topmost priority. Understanding each and every situation over here, whatever I've been told, how to read, how to plot, how to see, what to do, everything should be your topmost priority. Okay. Now, understand, see the technical term I made you explain. Inflow means money coming inside the market, which is the result of what? Investment. Money going outside the market is outflow, which is a result of profit or sell. Like people sell, they take the money out of the market. This is outflow basically. Inflows are related to the demand zones. Outflow is related to the supply zones. Extreme inflow creates demand zone. Extreme outflows create supply zones in the market. Also, inflow will give strength to the market, which is money pouring into the place, will give the strength, and outflow will weak, make the market weak, and because the money is going outside the market. Got it? Cool. Now, understanding the strength of the market. Strength is the purple line. We have the like the RSI has starts from the 0 and it can go up to what? It can go. Normally we see for 0 to 100 only. Okay, we don't see it. If you zoom out, you can see it can go for whatever price you want to go. But normally we check the strength in the term of 0 to 100 itself. That's it. That's the normal market we check for the range of what? 0 to 100. That's all. Now, if you see there are two lines, one is dash line on 70 and there is another dash line on 30 range. Can you see it? One is 30, 70 dash line, and on the 30 there is one dash line. Now you might have observed this one thing: whenever the market comes literally close to that 30%, the market tends to go up. Market came close to 30%, market goes up. Market close to 30%, market goes up. Market close 30%, market goes up. Market close again. Market again coming close to that 30%, market goes up. Now, what do you mean by below 30% or, and you can see also there is one line of 50. 50, 70 and 30. Let's explain this situation of 50, 70, 70, 50, 30. Okay. Let me delete these things. Let me just delete these things. Okay. Now understand this one thing. RSI. This is the indicator. RSI. This is the indicator which we are watching right now. Okay. RSI indicator. It starts. There is dash at 30. Then there is at 50. Then there is at 30. Right. 70, 50, 30. There is a dash line at that. Now dash line at 30 represents that the strength is strong. Strong strength. Either it is above that line or coming to that line represents that the strength of that market is strong. Strong strength means what? One and the basic thing it means. It means just one second. I will write it down for you all people because my handwriting is very bad for you to understand. And RSI is good thing for understanding what it gives, what it shows, all those things. तेरा भाई this is 70, 50, 30. Let's discuss 70 first, then we'll discuss 50, and then in the last we'll discuss 30. And where is this 30, 40, 50, 60 coming from? It is coming from RSI. I'm explaining you the RSI situation because RSI helps you a lot. I just need one RSI. See, can you see at the 30 there is one dash line, at 70 there is a dash line, and at 50 there is a dash line. So I'm explaining you and the whole, the chart goes inside that 70, 30, 40. RSI is calculated in what? RSI is calculated in welcome user 437257 and user 495920. Welcome on the live stream. I'm explaining you the how to see and how to know the strength of the market with the help of RSI. How you can capture, how you can know what strength the market is holding, because this strength can give you option like should I go for buy, should I go for sell kind of situations. Okay. Now in this time, in this situation, like RSI is calculated from the range of 0 to 100, in which the main 0 to 100. RSI is calculated in the range of 0 to 100. In that the main numbers which we usually focus on is 70, 50 and 30. Not the 80 to 100 or 30 to 0. We don't have to know those things. They don't have that good importance. RSI is yeah. RSI is this in the range of 0 to 100. RSI takes what? RSI tells you about the strength of the market. Now, at the 70. 70 means that a market is, if it's coming near or going above. There are two situations. Okay, one situation is near to, near or traveling to 70. Near or traveling to 70, it will be what? Near or traveling to 70 is basically that we will see if the market is coming like this. For example, can you see RSI over here, right? Now, it crossed 50 and it is traveling to 70. In that one scenario, we can understand, in that one scenario, we can understand this, that yeah. In that one scenario, we can understand at this point that strength of the market is strong. Market strength is getting strong, which means money is coming in good lot, in good size. Strength is getting strong, money is coming in good size. Potential what trade? Potential buy trade. Welcome user 437-57. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of the session. Thank you so much for coming in. My chat has stopped. Okay, now I can see. How I am going to deposit? Very simple. It's a very simple thing of how I'm going to deposit. User 357476 from Nigeria. I will show you very simple way to deposit. See, there are two ways, and I will tell you the best way is to click in the live stream function of deposit. On the live stream function itself, you see on the bottom user 357476. On the bottom, there are function of take a trade and deposit. Just tap on the deposit. After tapping on the deposit, I will show you what you need to do. One second, let me log in into my Zbit account. I will show you in 1 minute. Let me have the code and I will show you how to do deposit in Zbit. It is very simple. Eight 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 205. Okay, login done. Now, this is our platform. What you need to do for the deposit, come on the trade, and in whichever place you need to deposit. See, if you go on the trade side, can you see a trade over here? Then pick whatever trade you want to do first. You want to do future, you want to do spot, if you want to like. Just click, if you are into the future market, click on that future. and then click on that deposit. Just click on this deposit. In here you will see crypto deposit, click on that, and then here you will see the currency. Select whatever currency it is. You select USDT, BTC, Ethereum, whatever you want. Pick your currency, and then pick your blockchain. You want to use Polygon, you want to use BNB Smart, Tron, Ethereum, Optimism, whatever you want. Just click on that, and then either you copy paste the address, or you can scan and you can do your deposit. Minimum deposit, you can clearly see minimum deposit is what? 0.01 USDT. You can even transfer yourself 0.02, 0.03, 0.1, 0.9, 10, 20, 30, or whatever it is. You can do it very easily. What you need to do is minimum deposit is what? 0.01. It's like it's just like just you it's like a start, like 0.00 will be the end, 0.001 will be the first step, and that you can deposit. Very simple, very easy. You got the steps how you can deposit it. Just pick the trade first. What kind of trade you want to take? You want to take future, you want to take spot. Click on that. Come to the deposit option. Click on deposit, cryptos deposit. Click the USDT, click the currency, whatever you want to deposit, you want to deposit. Blah 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 blah. And then select your blockchain. Then copy paste the address and deposit. That's all. That's all. So simple, so easy to do it. That's all you need to do. You don't need to do anything else. This is that simple things to do. Okay, now coming back to this. Where is it? Ah. Coming back to others. 70, if the market is thriving to 70 means strength is getting stronger, which means basically money is coming in good size, and we should go for which trade? We should go for a buy trade over here, a potential buy trade. But just because it is traveling to the yeah, just because it's traveling to the buy trade, just because it's traveling to the 70 doesn't mean that absolute thing that a market is going to have a complete uptrend at that point and you're going to have to do a buy trade and blah. There might be some chances, there might be some time where you think that the market is actually traveling to your direction. The market is traveling to 70%. It is showing that the strength is getting high, money is coming in good size. But again, like I said to you, all the indicators are basically an calculator. They are calculating an XYZ stuff. Welcome user 353445. Welcome user 276537. Thank you so much for joining in. I'm just explaining you how to analyze the strength of the market. If the market strength is good, which can focus on buy trades. If the market strength is weak, then we can focus on sell trade. Good morning. Good morning, user. Good morning. Good morning from the Nigeria. User 276537, thank you so much. Good morning to you as well, brother. I'm explaining you how to analyze the strength of the market, how to know if the market strength is like good, money is coming good, and we can go for buy trade, or money is less, or how everything will happen, basically. Okay, so for that I'm using RSI, because RSI shows relative strength index. Now, what do you mean by strength index? Is it number of people? No, it is not number of people. Strength comes from the quantity of money. If money is strong, then it's a good strength. If money is less, then there is no strength. Okay, simple. Now, in this situation, if market is nearly, like I said, first scenario is a scenario of near or traveling to 70, which means from either 30 or 50. If it crossed 50 and it starts to see that it is going up, that means the strength is, I invested yesterday in the sell side or in the buy side. In which side did you invest? User 276537. I would love to know in which direction you invested. And also user 336266, welcome to the live stream of the zbit.com. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. And you can also share. See, yesterday I almost made 1444 USDT. If you feel that you also want to share your trade, like I earned this, I earned that, and blah blah, please feel free to share it on the live stream. That is really fine. Okay. So near or traveling to 70 means crossed 50, now it's trying to go to 70. Strength is getting strong, money is coming in good size, then you can go for buy trade. But like I said to you again, it is not a commitment thing. Crossing 50 doesn't shout that I am gonna touch 70 all the time. It is an AI calculated data. So not AI, just like computer calculated data. It is getting from crossing 50 minutes means like that calculator can see now money is invested, like buy orders are placed, buy order placed, and that is getting placed in a good money, in a very good amount of money, like 10,000, 20,000, 1 lakh, blah blah kind of money it is coming. Welcome user 522665, welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Now, but at any point, if once it crossed the 50, maybe from 60, maybe from 70, maybe from 65, it can take the U-turn as well and come back to the 50. Or maybe can go to 30 as well. There is always an option. There is nothing certain in the crypto market. Yes, crossing 50 going to 70 means the money is coming inside. That's why that calculator is showing that the price is like the strength is going up because of money inflow is coming inside the market in a good size. Okay, now this is the first scenario. What about the second scenario? Second scenario is at 70 or above 70. What do you mean by at 70 or above 70? At 70 means now the market is at that line of the 70. See, same like fuse. We have seen fuse as in that the fuse we kept in a house. Like once it overloads, the fuse break, the connection stops, light and the light goes off in the house, right? Exactly like that, 70 works in that way. Once the market is at that 70 level, this is the 70 level. This once the market is at 70 level, that means market is already strong. Money is, which is whatever inflow is coming to the market is a very good investment which is coming to the market. More and more and more people are inclining toward what a buy trades. More and more toward what people are putting a very big trades. But at the same point, it has a risk of what? Crossing above the 70, which indicates what? An overbought situation. That is too much bought. Too much. I cannot handle this much bought. Like whatever price, the whatever value in that moment, in that second is going in to that market, it is coming to a very near end, or it is coming to a very overbought situation. Like from this point, even if the it crosses 70, decide to go 80, 90, 100, touch 100, this all above 70 is considered overbought situation, that at any point, at any time now market can fall. The fall of the market will be witnessed from that point, from any time. So at 70 and above 70, strength is already strong and can lose the grip soon due to overbought. Due to overbought. Like it's been bought too much. This is too much to buy. Now we have to sell. Now we have to sell it. There is too much to buy for us. Welcome user 7769467. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Now, like I said to you, it's two situations. At 70, first situation what? Near or traveling to 70. Strength is getting strong. Money is coming in good size and buy trade option we have. But exactly when the market comes to the 70 range or is crossing above 70, again, like I said, there is no certain thing about it. But it is what we have observed in the past. It's what we have observed in the history that whenever market comes to 70, the strength is already strong. Now, if it sustains, if the people sustain that strength, if the people support that strength of that movement, then it can go. But once that whatever all out energy we have given, whatever energy basically means whatever money we have given to the market, and that's it, we are done, the strength is gone. If everybody else support us in putting more money, more money, more money, more money, we can go above 70, more money above 80, more money coming in above 90, more money coming in above 100. Now, obviously, at the 80, at the 90, and at the 100, not majority, but few people, maybe 10%, maybe 20, maybe 30% of people will start thinking like, now I need to sell. I am done buying. I got a lot of good profit. Now this is my time for doing a sell. This is my time for selling the market. I can get a very good price if price is like price was here, price came at this point, and now obviously every buyer will decide to sell at this point because this is a very good point to start doing the sell. So that's what happens is can lose the grip soon, which means the investment strength, putting money, how much money to put in market, at one point will stop. At one point the rest of the team, rest of the buyers, if sorry, rest of the sellers will take advantage like, okay, you had a strength, you showed, now it's done, now it's our time to show. That why that was an overbought situation means whenever the market crosses 70, it indicates an overbought situation. Not 70 70, actually 75, but we can consider 70 as well, like an overbought situation at too much, market is been bought too much, money has came too much. Now obviously not everybody can invest 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 1 lakh thousand into the market instantly, constantly, all the time. At one point they will lose, at one point they will be like, okay, I'm done investing, my part is done. The same like this, everybody part will be done, and then whose part will remain? The seller's part will remain to take down the market, which is from here to here. Got it? Okay. At the second part, indicate a sell trade, that we should sell after overbought. Okay. Not before that. Let the market give whatever strength the market has to give to the market. Let it give. Let the people, let the trader invest as much money as they can. But once the strength is gone, once the grip is loose, that's the point where sell trade, that is after an overbought. Okay, this is for 70. This is how you can understand 70. We have seen this. If I show you over here, see, crossed 70, it went, the highest it went is till where? 76, and from where? Straight drop off again, similar range of like almost 80, almost 80, and then what? Straight drop. 70 cross, straight drop. 70 cross, straight drop. Traveling to 70, but never ever, like traveling, it was traveling from 50 to 70 but couldn't go till 70, straight drop. This is the thing what I'm saying. Okay, understood? First condition, near or traveling to 70, strength is getting stronger, money is coming in a good size, go for a buy trade. Okay, but also I'm giving you a risk as well, that not all the time it happens. It always depends on the investment, like people who invest. Second is at 70 and above, or above 70, basically at the 70 level or above that level. Strength is already strong. It won't get more stronger. It is already strong. Either it can sustain or supported strength we can get. Like once I did, now the rest of the people are supporting me from the back, and till the time the support is also gone, the grip is loose and the overbought situation comes, which results in a sell off where the market will start coming down the sell trades after overbought situation. Understanding my point? Cool. This is for 70. Now let's talk about 50. 50 is very simple. 50 is one thing. 50 is what? 50 is neutral. There are nothing. 50 is like neutral. There are not buyers a lot. There are not lots of sellers. Everybody is equal. 50 indicates one thing. 50 indicates what? 50 indicates a sideways of the market, a consolidation phase of the market where market is not doing any movement. It's just going sideways like the normal ones, because we have an equal competition. We have an equal strength. Like for example, if I go for an arm wrestling for myself itself, I have exactly the same strength, and myself on the next side will always be having an exact strength until and unless we lose the stamina. We'll be just like this, not moving here, not moving there, not moving anywhere. We will be just exactly in the center because we have the same strength. Now that's exactly what happens on the 50. Whenever the market comes on the 50, that means the buyers and the seller, both of the strength is same. For example, it can be 10-10 or it can be 9-10. 1 to 2, 1 to 2 losses to 5. Like 9-10 people, 8-9 people, 7-6, 5-4, 2-3, that kind of people. Like it's like difference can be 1-2, that is not a different difference. Okay. Like 49,000 and there is 47,000. 1,000 difference there, but that's not that big difference. Big of a difference. Welcome user 360627. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream and joining this live stream. Appreciate it. Okay. So like I said to you, 50 is neutral. Neutral means what? That they are equal amount. There is no strength difference in the market, basically. Same strength from both sides. Both side, which side I'm talking about is like buyers and sellers. From both sides, same strength. I'm not talking about any, like I'm not taking any like sides over here. I'm not from buyer side, I'm not side, I'm somewhere in the middle. That's all. Neutral. Nothing can happen over here. We have seen a lot of time, like whenever market is in that neutral stage over here, we see sideways consolidation, not having momentum, not having a movement in the market. We are just going in a side. Welcome Sahid 89. Sahid 89. It would have been best if would have Sahid 69, but it's fine. Welcome Sahid on the live stream of zb.com. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Okay, so 50 normal. Now let's talk about 30. 30 has two situations, same like 70. 30 is exactly the opposite of the 70. If 70 is a home of strength of the buyers, then 30 is a home of a strength of the seller. Okay, so first scenario, near or traveling to 30. Strength is getting weak, means outflow is acha, I cannot see that thing. Outflow is happening and the trade is probably for sell trade. So exactly like I said, 30 will be exactly opposite of what? 70. In 30, in 70, we saw the strength is getting strong, money is coming in a good size, and we can go for a buy trade at that moment. But in the 30, Like I said, it is a completely opposite thing. Near or traveling to 30, strength is getting weak, means outflow is happening. In 70, inflow is happening, good inflow, and in here an outflow is started to happen where the money is coming outside the market, strength is dropping, money is going out, outflows are people are taking the profit, people are doing a major sell-offs, and it is falling down. It indicates what? Sell trade. Okay. And same scenario like this, let me just type second scenario. Second scenario is at 30 or above, sorry, below 30. At 30 or below 30. What do you mean by at 30? I will show you examples as well. Okay, don't worry. Or below 30. In here, what is happening is at 30 and below 30. Now, like I said, 50 is a neutral stage from where if the market goes above, welcome user 409 and 333. 409 333. Welcome on the live stream. I'm just explaining you how to identify the strength of the market and how to you can use it in the trade as well. Okay, so three scenarios I've explained already: 70, 50, 30. I'm going on in the second situation. Second situation is what? At 30 or below 30. Can you see the line of the RSI over here? I will show you an RSI line. This is the RSI line of 30. This is the 30. Okay, right now our market is at 30. If you can notice this thing, from 30 our market is trying to rebound, like getting reverse from 30. So what is that situation? At 30 or below 30. 30 means that strength is weak already. Nearing and near 30 or trying to 30 means strength is getting weak. Present continuous strength. People are doing sell off, sell off, sell off, sell off, sell off. Outflow is happening, outflow is happening, outflow is happening. At 30 means yes, a major outflow is happening. Everybody knows it. It's not a start. It is at the end. Maybe will end soon. How it will end? See, whenever a big movement comes in the market, that big movement will only sustain if the rest of the people supports it. Even if you're having a tug of war and there is a one guy which like big guy, 6 foot 7 foot gym guy, and there is on the other side is just normal average guys, 5 foot 5 foot guys, and they're all standing in the range of 5 to 6, and there is one guy with six to 7 foot guy with this muscly guy. If he doesn't get, the muscly guy doesn't get a proper support of his rest of the crewmates, he might lose. Even if he's bulky, even if he has strength, but he still may lose if he don't get support. Now that same thing happens in the market as well. If I have, see, I saw the market at a very cheap price. Like strength is no, it is either at 7, either at 30 or below 30. Okay. Now I know for this point, like I saw the market the most cheapest price. I know from here it will reverse. It is just a matter of time who takes the first step. It is a matter of a time who will lose the grip. For example, if sellers are coming down, if sellers are being sell trade, now we can clearly see that the sell orders, the sell sizes, the outflow sizes is getting small. That means strength is going down. Now, at the matter of fact, the time I take the first initiative step of putting an investment of, let's imagine 50,000, I should get a support of the rest of the small people. Small means 10, 20, 30, 100, 200, 300 USDT things. If they give a support of my 5,000 thing, then we can see a very good market going up in a proper uptrend way. If my support is not there, then what will happen? My one candle will be there, a small rejection from the bottom of a side, and from there they will see that the movement is not sustained, the movement is not supported, the rest of the people are not putting the buy orders exactly with me. Now the market will again collapse down because there is no support. I tried to give support, but never the support came. Okay, welcome user 892644. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. And user 555765, you also thank you so much for joining in. And I am telling you all people, like again on the live stream, there are functions of deposit and there are function of take a trade, and there is a comment section. If you are active person doing a deposit of the, like click on the deposit and doing deposit of like more, let's say in a weekly twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times, then I will give you free USDTs or rewards or some offers, whatever I decide. It will be like a free giveaways. I will pick 4 to 5 best live stream active users who I can see like they are the most active. They are doing the comment section. They are always like active in the comment section. They are doing the deposit from the deposit function itself, like tapping on the functions and doing the deposit, and also tapping on the trading. You can get a free USDTs for that. Okay, now coming back to the topic. Now let's say like at the 30 and below 30. At 30 means the strength is already loose. There are sellers already in the market. Everybody knows that it is a downtrend. There is nobody who doesn't know if it's a downtrend or not. It's very clear that the market is falling down. The point is till where and till how long it can fall down. That is below 30. Once the market is at or below 30, then the support has the role, because that big person who has done the big sell off has already did and gone from the market. If the rest of the people continues with that support, the rest of the people continues with whatever sell trade they are making, then the market will keep on falling. But till what point? Till the point when the support also loses their strength and the new buyers will come, which will see and seek an opportunity of what, that the market is at the cheapest price, and now this is my point to go in a buy situation, because I can get a very good profit from, if I buy at 30 I can sell it at maybe 50 or maybe 70. Two option you get always. Buying from 30 gives you two options for buy. Either you can take your target till 50 or 70. Okay, now if it's keep buying, like I said to you, strength is already strong in the 70 and can lose grip soon. Same like this, I will write over here. Why? Okay. Strength is already weak and can lose the grip soon. And can lose the grip soon due to oversold situation. But again, I said to you, again, I will tell you this one very specific thing. When the line touches 30, doesn't mean that you have to go for buy. Does not mean that until and unless you see rebound or reverse from the market, you won't enter for buy side just because it is at a 30, because we have more 20. After 30 it can go to 20 as well, from 20 it can go to 10 as well, and from 10 it can go to 0 as well. There are three more levels below. There is 20, 10 and 0 just below that 30. Okay, just because it went to below 30 doesn't mean the buy order came. When the buy order will come, when it will show, when it goes oversold and we see rejection from the bottom side, that the buyers are entering into the market. They have started buying in a cheap price and are ready to sell in the high price. Got my point? So the buy trade after okay, understand this, after, until and unless you don't see rejection, do not enter for buy trade, because the strength might continue as well. Like I said, it's all depend on the support. If support is there, it will keep on falling. If support is loses strength, then only the reverse happens, the reverse trade happens. Okay, understood? Buy trade after sold out. Now this is how you can analyze the strength of the market with simple 70, 50, 30. Near or triangle to 70, strength is getting strong, money is coming in good size, buy trades. At 70 or above 70, strength is already strong, can lose the grip soon due to the overbought, sell trade after overbought. 50 neutral, same strength from both side, buyers and sellers. There is nothing which we can do over here until unless one takes and dominance and shows. 30 is exactly the opposite of 70. Near or tribe to 30, strength is getting weak, means outflow is happening. Sell trades are open. At the 30 or below, strength is already weak, can lose the grip soon due to oversold. But the trade, buy trade, no, not but, sorry, buy trade after oversold, not before that. Okay, which is that 70 line? Can you see once you put the RSI indicator? This is that 70 line, 70 dash dash dash. This is the 50 line, this is 30 line. Right now, we can see the market is tapped into the 30 line, tapped into the oversold situation, and now is ready to go above. But nothing is uncertain, nothing is certain in the market. Okay, everything is uncertain. You never know till where, from where it will fall down. Even right now it can fall down, it can go up to maybe 40, and from there it can again travel down to 30. It depends on the investment, it depends on the people, what kind of investment people are doing. Getting my point? Okay, it doesn't have to be like number of people, it's always a number of money. Money has the strength, not the people. It's a book knowledge, it doesn't apply on the real life. We have seen that test, right? Like five stick together cannot be broken. The throw some money at them, they will be broken pieces. Trust me. Okay. Phew. 1 second. Welcome, Chinoso from Nigeria. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for coming in. Thank you so much for being a part. Okay, I will be right back in 5 minutes. I'll be taking a small break of 10 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, I'll be back. Do not go anywhere. I'll be back in just 5 to 10 minutes. Some huge money is playing around. Okay. We are back, people. Where is the charger? Okay, welcome Andy Rossi and Bitcoin 2. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. This is one. This is a day fair value cap. Okay, I will make sure to write it so that you don't get confused. I also don't get confused. This is a day fair value gap, which can be the main traveling hub, like main traveling point of the market from that point, and we can also see in the RSI. And I hope that you know regarding the divergence. And welcome user 115076 on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Make sure that you are active on this live stream. You are using every functions of the live stream, like deposit functions. In the bottom you can see there are two options: take a trade and deposit. If you deposit from the live stream functions more than 3 to 4 times and in a week, then you can earn free USDT from my side. I will be picking top 4, top 5 live stream active people. Active means I need your comments on the comment section, and I need you to deposit from the live stream deposit. It's the same, it's not different. Okay, it's just you're clicking on that function, you're utilizing the live stream function, which is that is the important part. Okay, if you are using that thing, I will make sure I will pick top 4, top 5, the most active people on my live stream, and I will give them rewards in the terms of maybe free USDTs, maybe free trades, maybe offers, maybe some rewards. I don't know what I'll be giving you, but I will surely will give. It's not same thing for every week. Every week it might change. Okay, so make sure to use all the options of the live stream function. Do not just enter watch me and go. This is a live stream where you can utilize the like teaching thing and every of those things, where you use those function, do the deposit from the live stream function and earn a chance to win free giveaways from my side. Every week I'll be picking up top 4, top 5 people. Do not forget it. Do not forget that thing. Okay, so it is goes for everybody. Andy Rosie and Bitcoin for you too as well. Be active on the comments. Tap on the deposit option. Do the deposit from the live stream deposit, and you will be earning a good amount. Free giveaways, basically. Okay, so this is our 4 hour lives, 4 hours of demand zone. There is still, see, this is my target. I really think that Bitcoin can fall to 74,000 if that 4 years of reset works. And where the 4 year reset works, basically the whales in every 4 years they try to sell a heavy amount. Okay, now we have seen recently, like yesterday the news came about the big whale did sold 29 something, like almost 33,000 of Bitcoin was sold from the Bitcoin market. And that is what the 4 years of theory says, that after every 4 years some whales in the market will try to do a huge sell off, because obviously they are investing and they need their money back as well, in a very good investment way, in a very good way, where they can earn a lot of huge amount. Okay, so understand the scenario. My main target is maybe that Bitcoin can fall to 74%. And trust me on this, if the Bitcoin falls 74%, there will be a huge interest in a spot market, not in the future market. Okay, very huge interest in the spot market. But let's talk about it later, because right now we are at 94, and I think we can see a potential, a very good potential, that market may can make another, like, now a trend can change, a small change, not a very big change. We are watching market making this directions. Maybe from this it can reverse and start making this direction to the fair value gap, or to this fair value gap. There are two fair value gaps over here. This is 1 hour and this is a daytime fair value gap, which I feel can be an ultimatum thing where market can go. Ultimate thing. But we have one more fair value gap over here. I will mark that situation. Let's see. This is the zone. I hope you know how to plot fair value gaps. Okay. Users plotting fair value gaps, finding fair value gaps, very important, because market feels it is important. If a market feels that is important to travel to, then you should also be knowing how to plot it so that you can take advantage of it. Now, this is the situation which is going on right now. We haven't still confirmed it. Now, when will be the confirmation of this small internal structure will change into an uptrend? This is a small internal structure. Internal structure as in, like, see, okay, let me explain you internal structure. Internal and external structures are like, if I do a path, 1 second, this is the path direction, and let's say that I am having a downtrend. This is the normal downtrend situation. This is how a downtrend looks like, right? Like, it will go up, then it will fall, it will go up, it will fall, right? This is the normal one. This is an external structure which we can see on higher time frames, but there are internal structure as well. Okay, for example, it will be like this. It will start from here, it will go one, da, 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 da. Same structure, but two different way to see it. The outside one, this is an external structure. It is called as external structure of the market, and this is an internal structure of the market. Internal structure always has a lot of noises. It won't give you clear signals. Sometimes it will give you very mixed signal. For example, if I put it again, now when I said, like, 1 second, I will put it aside. I will make this as okay. Okay, now I have denoted every of those things for the downtrend, and I will put back again the same structure over here. This is an internal structure, and external, I will match it. Now, whenever the market travels from the lower low and goes to the lower high, it will tend, you will see that market makes a very small and minute uptrend in an internal structure, not in an outer structure, but an internal structure. In here, you can clearly see market, the internal structure of the market is what? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. I will put it back a second. I will take it here. You will see this to this point is what? Lower low situation. But this to this point, just this small part is what? Higher high to higher low situation, which is representing a very low, like very small and very weak uptrend. Again, whenever market makes and LH, that is lower high in an internal structure, it looks like an uptrend. Now, that's what I'm telling you here. Now, the external structure is made by who? External structure is made by a day time frame. Can you see a day time frame? If I observe a day time frame, it is very simple. It is just making the structure of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. That's all it made. But if I go on a 1 hour time frame chart, I can see that there is a small, every time whenever market makes a lower high, every time this was a market making lower high, this was a market making lower high. Okay, every time market made that lower high situation, I saw a very small amount of uptrend going on, very small amount of uptrend going on situation over here. Okay, whenever market is making lower high. Now same situation is can be here, because as we saw yesterday, market already made a lower low. Now the next step for a downtrend to complete will be a lower high, which will give us what? A very small amount of lower, very small amount of, sorry, uptrend, very small amount of uptrend it will give us. So we have to focus on that uptrend, a very small one, travel to the lower high, which has two reasons, two, like not two reasons, sorry, two steps, like till where it can go, till where. Okay, for a minute thing, for a very small thing, if you consider, like I said to you already, supply zones are found like wow. Supply zones are found like if there is a very big red candles representing a very huge sell-off has came into the market. That candle, previous to that red candle is a green, which can be the last effort of the buyer. That candle is basically a supply zone. Now, to be just like, see, this is not a proper supply zone, but still we can consider this was a very good sell off from here, a straight down sell off. Can you see from this candle? 1 2 3 4 5 candle gave you a very good extreme sell off, and there is one last green candle there. I can put this and I can draw this one. This will be my supply zone. Now for the next thing, can you see exactly from that point the market came and again the supply started, right? And again it touched it again. So this becomes, see, one time, two time, three time if market respects an XYZ zone. Three time if market is respecting an XYZ zone, which is basically a supply zone. That means that market is will go again to touch it, because it becomes a liquidity zone over there, that there is money where market is again and again and again trying to go, means that place has a certain amount of money which market is in a need of. Either it can be the sell stop loss, either it can be the buy stop loss, either it can be the limit orders, whatever XYZ it is, market is interested in going to that zone because it is going often. Okay, so that becomes our what? That becomes our target. That I can go for that target. I can go easily for that target. Now, right now, we are in that situation that still, see, I will be very honest with you guys that yes, there are just retailers in the market right now. Just retailers. There are no big players in the market at right now, because see, in 1 hour candle, can we see any big candles? Right now, I'm seeing in the current moment. These three candles are big. Yes, 1, 2, 3. These three candles are very big green candles. It was a very good investment at this point. But about the current candle, this is our current candle, and that was our previous current candle. They both are very small. They both are very small, means the money which is flowing inside has become small. The money which is coming inside has become a bit small. And also, if you observe this one thing, it is not an accurate one, but still it is a little, looks like a bullish pennant pattern, like a triangle shape having a flag. Can you see a flag over here? See, this is the pole of that flag, right? A pole, and we can see a very similar support the market took. These candles, can you see the lower wick of this candle is very similar support, and exactly the same point we can see a very similar downfall as well, which makes us an exact same chart pattern as what? A bullish pennant chart pattern.
which is what? Which is a bullish pennant chart pattern. Now we have got a breakout already, but breakout is for what? A downside. Did the breakout continued? No. The answer is no, the breakout didn't continue. Why? Either because of the strength, either it is a fake one, either just an early entry for the downside because the whole market is going for the downside. But there is always a chance, even if it gives a fake breakout, again it can go up and it can break out like this and it can touch to that supply zone. We will touch already twice. Twice the market has already went there and started to fall from there. But still again it goes back to that, means there is something there which market is in need of. Now we are already saw multiple things. Now we have three analysts for us, three things which I saw in the market. One is a very small zone. It's, I wouldn't say is like a big supply, it's a very small supply zone which has been respected by the market. One time it made, second first time is respected, second time also is respected. That is a supply zone for us. Like from that point market tends to go for a downside, but can you see the strength is getting weak? First time it fall, it didn't touch the demand zone, again it went up, took the whatever limit order was there put or whatever it is, it came down, tapped to the tapped to demand zone, again went to that supply zone again, but couldn't sustain. The buyers couldn't make the market go above that zone, which means a lot of sell stop loss, or you can say a very good limit orders is placed and buyers are not ready to push the market above this level. And a lot of people, if they go sell from this point, that means their stop loss is somewhere over here only, this stop loss. This is a whole stop loss junction for them, for market to capture again. And also we got the second confirmation from what? Second confirmation from a, not exactly, but yes, a little bit. Yeah, I can see that this is a bullish pennant chart pattern. Bullish pattern, how to identify a bullish pennant chart pattern? Bullish pennant chart pattern is like, see, you have to see a pole. First, there will be a straight up dominance of a buyer, which will create a pole like structure. Okay. After that, you can see a pole like structure. Yes, we can see it. After that, there will be a sideways market. Basically, we call it a consolidation phase. In that consolidation phase, it is deciding where to go. Should I go up? Should I go down? In that, if a trend line is made like this and all the candles are taking the support respect to that, market comes, takes support, market goes up again, market comes down, take a support, goes down again. Now if you see like a 4 to 5 candle taking a similar trend line support which is gradually going up is very important. Okay, the support line which is gradually going up, and same opposite thing, the resistance line is gradually falling down. Can we see 4 to 5 candle at exactly at that trend line? If I zoom it, we can see it more clearly. Okay, can we see after that phase the trend line? If I draw a trend line from support line, and if I draw a trend line for a resistance trend line, then we can see resistance was gradually falling down like this, support is trying to go like this, which is making a triangle like structure for us to see. Now this, a pole and a triangle, it represents a chart pattern called as a bullish pennant chart pattern. I will show you on the Google as well on the live stream. You don't have to believe me, you can believe the Google. Bullish, yeah, pennant chart pattern. Can you see this chart pattern over here? Can we see something similar? Resist, like support gradually going up, resistance gradually coming down, and it is supposed to give you a breakout for above side. That is what? For the bullish side. That is what? For the buy side. Okay. Now, this is how it will look in the market. Like if you want to see it in the market, okay, this is how it looks. Same like this, we can spot in here, and we got a fake breakout. I will also show you the fake breakout scenarios. Bullish chart pattern, fake breakout. Google image should have a fake breakout image as well. Let me see. Why I cannot see? See, flag type. These are all flag chart patterns. Okay. In the market, this is a bullish flag, bullish wedge, bullish pennant, bearish flag, bearish wedge, bearish pennant. These are all the flag chart patterns in the market, which usually comes, which you should be knowing, because that's what gives you a like profit without putting much effort. I am not able to show you the fake breakout scenario. I want to show you fake breakout scenario as well. But in a Google image, there are no fake breakout scenarios. Mhm. There are no fake breakout. If I have to explain fake breakout, it will be something like it should give you breakout from this trend line, right? But it will give you trend line. It will give you breakout from down, making you believe that a downtrend will start, and then it's the exact point from where it will again go up and tap into the this scenario. How much profit can we make? See, I like chart patterns. Why? Because chart patterns can give me a safe target as well. How do you identify safe target? How do you know what is a safe target? See, for a safe target, you just have to find this one thing. Find R1, the first resistance point, and the first support point. Calculate the distance between those. What is the distance? This to this is 0.61. I can expect from my breakout, from where, from this trend line, whatever it is, from this trend line, I can just count what, 0.61, which is again going to same zone where I want to travel to. So let's all put the buy trade. I really feel again the chart stopped. Let me connect the chart again. Okay. Slide. Cool. So this is 0.67%, which we can capture in the market at right now moment of almost 5,899 points we can capture in the market, which is a very simple and easy way to capture. So I suggest all those people who are watching this live stream should go for a buy situation at this point, because there are 2 to 3 scenarios. See, one is a zone which market is trying to go again and again and again and again to the same zone. For 2 times it went already, and then later the chart pattern formation, which gives us more add up evidence that yes, it is ready to go up or it can go up. And in that we got a fake breakout scenario. See, fake breakout can be created for the liquidity. Market creates such fake breakout for liquidity. It will show you like, okay, now I'm gonna fall, are you gonna go for sell? And the moment you go for sell, they will switch the market for the buy side. That's like market plays games, and we should be smart enough to be being played or something like that. So in this situation, I already got an entry in a very low point. From rather than entering of the breakout, I can enter from the fake breakout scenario. So let's just enter at the market or buy situation. I want to enter in the market buy situation, and simply I'm going to put my take profit where at the start of that fair value at the zone. I don't want to call it as a like this zone, like supply zone, but I can consider it as a liquidity zone. I just won't name it. Let it be. Let it be. Another thing. Delete this. This. Mhm. Mm. So that's your entry, guys, in BTC future trade. Go for a buy situation. From that fake breakout, keep your target at this, just the start of this. That's all. That zone. Simple. Just copy it. Welcome user 787057. Do not forget to use the deposit option from the live stream function itself. There are options right below where you comment in the side. You can see there is deposit and there is a take a trade. Do a deposit from the live stream function itself. Okay. See, a very good buying candle is coming. Very good point we have entered in the market. 158. $158 till now. We have target of $900. Let's go. Welcome user 174659. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Do take, I've given you a live trade. I've given you the trade to go for buy situation in the BTC future trade. Okay. That target is like 96674. This is a Binance chart. Okay, TradingView doesn't have a Zbit chart, and TradingView is the best to watch the chart any. So this is a Binance chart. The price might differ, like it won't be the same 96674 in the Zbit. So please check out this zone. This zone, the zone, you can plot it out in November. I will show you. You will plot on the 8 o'clock morning candle, one last green candle of 8 o'clock morning. That is our zone. You just plot on the high and the low and drag it like this, like this. I will show you again how to drag it. Okay, how to make a zone. See, this is a straight up solve. Sonam, hello Sonam, welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining in. I've given you the live trades already for the BTC future trade. You should go for the future. How are you, cute boy? Nah, I'm good. Thank you so much. I'm good. So I've given you the trade already. Welcome user 283319. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining in. And this is what I've spotted is, see, this is one small supply zone. Can you see a very drop off of the red candles? Now what we're going to do is make a zone at that point. See, red candle start is not our zone. The last effort by the buyer's candle, and that is our zone. Okay, so look, draw a zone at the H and the L of that candle and drag it forward. That's all. Now you can see, observe this thing, the zone worked actually. If you see, first time it was made, second time again market came till here, again went to that zone, fall back, again went to that zone over here, touched it and fall back. Now this becomes what? If the market is coming to one zone 2 to 3 to 4 times, that becomes a liquidity zone, that some money is stuck here which market is in the need of, and that's what we are going to grab. That's what we are going to grab. Can you see? That's what we are going to grab. Same with the market, we are going to grab this. Same exactly with the market. Now, also this is a chart pattern. A chart pattern of what? A chart pattern called as bullish pennant chart pattern. This chart pattern forms when there is a bullish movement in the market. I will write the name, which looks like this. Can you see? This is a bearish pen. This is a bullish pennant. This is a bearish pennant. I want some information about Plank coin. Okay, I will search about Plank coin. Why not? Anything for a person who gives me compliment. Plank coin. P-A-P-L-A-N-C-K. Yeah, that's the name. Plank. Which one? Plank USG? You want spot or you want future? Which information you want? You want the spot market information or you want the future market information? For what trade you are looking for? Are you looking for the spot information or are you looking for a future information? Do tell me like that so I can give you a proper information. Is this the one? The one you can see on the screen? PLANCK, yeah, plank. Which one you want, future or spot? Sonam, spot market. Okay, Sonam says spot market. Let's go for spot market. And dollar or DT? Dollar DT, dollar DT, dollar DT. Let's go for DT. DT is at 0.1 and 1 second. That other thing is at what? Flying US dollar is also 0.14188. Okay, it recently started or what? Why there is no chart formation for previous charts? Like, when did it start? It just started, just like it is like a newborn kid or something like that. Is it true? It's like just started kind of stuff. It's like it came on November 13. 2 o'clock start trading. Is it true? Is this the chart which I'm watching, or am I watching some other chart? Because I don't think so I'm watching the perfect right chart, because according to this chart it started trading on 13th of November. Is it true, Sonam, that it started trading on 13th of November? Like, it's very recent chart and like there is nothing right till right now point in the market. Just yesterday, no, 2 days ago, today's 15th, 2 days ago this market started. Is this the right coin I'm watching, or is this something different? Sonam, can you say, is this the right chart I'm watching? Because according to what I'm seeing, it's like it started on November 13th. Can you see a date over here? See, the date and timing are here. This candle has made by 13th of November 2025. Just no, this is not the right one. Okay, this is not the right one. Can you tell me the proper name of that thing? Plank. Which coin is it? See, I'm putting the right spelling. Okay, see the PLA. You said PLNCK. This is PLNCK. See, there are two market of USDT and Tether as well. If I type on Tether, even it is started on 13th of November. Same. Even it started on 13th of November. Is there any other coin? Because I don't know. Is this the one? If this not the one, what is this? Welcome user 343376. Welcome user 421198. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to use the live stream functions. The most active people will be receiving free giveaways of free USDT rewards, whatever from my side. Okay, so make sure to use all the functions. Functions are comment section, the live stream deposits. Like you can see on the comment section that there is two options of deposit and take a trade. When I give you trade, then you take a trade. When I don't, then use the deposit option to deposit money. Which is, so now tell me, which is the coin? I don't know which is the coin. I had never heard about PLNCK. Which, it's a crypto coin. But which one? Same. Everybody opened at 13th of November itself. Like what? Is it some different coin which I don't know about? Planet. See, this is the start. Only trading you have just from here. Plank Soul, Plank USDT future contract. This is future contract. This is spot. Plank USDT. Everybody, everything is same. Everything is same. If, and I'll just tell you this one thing, I am good at reading the market, like understanding what is happening at this point. But if you give me just this small data, then it is very hard for the analyst to do. And with this small data, I cannot do. If I get data like this, like for example, BTC, right now I got BTC data and I entered. See, so much I can make of, so much data I can take, so much data I can make. I can plot all these zones, everything. I can give you entries. We have got entry 124 USDT already profit, 900 I'm aiming for. We can get it, but if there is some coin we started just 2 days ago, I don't think so. I can keep market analysis of 2 day ago coin. Okay, and in less than okay, Sonam. Okay, if I can help you with any other thing, please do let me know. And welcome user 283319. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. But I want to tell you this, people, I am gonna leave in the next 5 minutes of this live stream today. There will be one more new person who will be joining in maybe after 1 to 2 hours. So today I had just 3 hours of live streams, so it will end in the next 5 minutes. Today is not 4 hour of live stream. I have one more person waiting for all of you people. He is a mentor for the crypto platform, and he will be joining this live stream for the first time today. And I hope you all people will support, and I will hope you all make, because he's a mentor. Okay, he knows how to enter the market, he knows everything regarding the market. Okay, he used to teach the like people the classes for teaching about the crypto market. So I hope you will enjoy his live stream as well. He will be joining in maybe after 1 to 2 hours, but I will be leaving shortly right now, or maybe right now only. Okay, I'll leave right now because I've already given you the trade and I have nothing else to say to all the people. So trade is this, and again I'm watching Binance future contract. The like in Zbit, the future, the target is 96674.2. In Zbit, the price might be little different. So what you need to do for that, you just need to find the candle of what. See, if I show you the date of this candle, this is that green candle which made on 8 o'clock of yesterday, 14th November, 8 o'clock candle. You have to find, make a zone on that, and that zone ending point, this is the end point of that zone. That will be your target in the Zbit app. Okay, so thank you so much, people, for joining this live stream. Thank you so much, people, for being a part of this live stream. I'll see you guys tomorrow by 12 to 4. Every day I come on the live by the timing of 12 to 4. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Not every day, sorry. Monday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. That is the 5 days I come on the live stream. So I hope to see you guys tomorrow. I'll see you guys. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much, all the people. Do not forget to use the live stream functions. Do the deposit from the live stream functions only. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye.